Looks like we made it to beautiful Bushnell. Halfway to the van, I'd say. Maybe. Red light.
And need to make it right.
Oh, make it right. Okay.
Red light, make it right.
Red light. Nice TRD4.
Yeah, this is definitely the first van we're going to look at today too. Definitely didn't drive to Oviedo, Florida from Valrico, and if you don't know where that is, a suburb of Tampa. And now we're out to Brooksville.
Let's just say we've been in the car since what, 7:30 this morning?
Yep, it is 12:36 now. Definitely getting our time in here. But you know what? It's pretty. We saw the tallest inclines in probably the entire state. Less impressive than you think. But you know, it's been a nice little drive on a beautiful sunny day here in mid to late November. So we may have a damn van by the end of this.
I hope so.
Let's hope so.
I really hope so. I'm gonna spend 5 hours driving around.
Yeah. Gonna look at a nice E250 club wagon.
So the first van that we looked at was overheating on the gauge, and he tried to tell us that that was normal and that he's driven it like that for 20,000 miles.
Oh,
Not
no,
a good
longer.
sign.
The entire time he's owned the van, it's always been like that.
Right.
So he replaced everything in the cooling system, supposedly, and nothing had changed.
Yeah, so we decided not to get that one,
Yep.
and decided to drive all the way from Oviedo to Brooksville to look at another one.
Yep.
So hopefully this one works out.
Yeah, it's a good looking van. We're excited. See how it goes.
We got a van. I'm so excited for this. Carter is driving the van home. It will probably end up being registered in his name, but can't wait for van shenanigans.
Oh, we bought a van.
We bought a van.
Take a look at this.
So first thing we're going to work on today is removing the interior, removing the carpet, and trying to get the flooring in, which we're going to use a 3/4 inch plywood so that we can use it to mount our folding beds and table. We kind of figured that there really wasn't any reason to insulate. We live in Florida, and most of the time we're going to use this is going to be during the winter. So we will probably eventually add an AC unit to the back here, more than likely. But the idea is to get the bench seat out, get the captain's chairs out, get the carpet out, take some measurements for the flooring, and start planning the beds. So let's get to it.
Hey guys. All right, so we had to go run to Harbor Freight, our favorite place in the world, and get some big ass Torx keys that we can use to get these brackets out. So next we'll be removing the brackets, and then we'll be taking out the carpet. And after that, we'll start measuring and cut the wood. So can't wait to go to Lowe's.
Looks like these bad boys have been in here for a while, so they might need a little bit of encouragement. Is that gonna go? There we go.
just taking it nice and slow.
All right, well that pretty much sucked, but all the brackets are out of the van now, so we're just about ready to pull the carpet. Now we might
I found a surprise.
be in for quite a surprise. We pulled it up a little bit and well, we found a little bit of rust. So we're gonna pull all the carpet up and see just how bad it is. Here it goes. You got your stuff?
That's good.
All right. Oh, that's gross.
Oh, yeah.
There is a
Not surprising, it's matching.
hole. It's like in the same exact spot. Hole there. It does seem to be a bolt there, which could be a problem. The rest of the van doesn't seem to be too terrible. Here, let me come help. Let me come help. Let me come help. You got it?
Not too bad.
All right, so
Matching.
it looks like those two are the worst spots.
Hey, got something though.
Nice.
You gotta take the cost that you can recoup.
Look at that.
You can. So.
Free tools.
Free tools. Free tool.
Who doesn't like free tools? So my only concern, and my biggest concern, is this where the subframe bolts up? It might be where the subframe bolts up. So that could be a problem. But I have been wanting to learn to weld. So, yeah.
We'll make it work.
Yeah.
All right, so Carter just vacuumed out all he could. Looks pretty good, with the exception of these two gaping holes in the bottom of the van. But I think we've come up with some sort of plan of attack. Maybe try and cut this out here and weld it up. Either weld it straight to this if we can find some clean metal, or try and extract this bolt and put a new bolt in. So I think now, since we're not going to be able to get the floor in today, we're probably going to go ahead and start removing some of these side panels. We have decided to keep the headliner because all of the rear AC and lights,
and
they all work. And we would prefer to keep AC if we can. So,
Definitely.
yeah, so we'll see you when it's done. So the panel on the passenger side has been removed. It was far easier than the task that Carter got, which was removing the panel on the driver's side. So it looks like this is all ducting of some sort for the AC. So we are trying to remove the ducting to retain the factory AC while removing the panels. What were you listening to?
Classic rock.
Nice.
Road tripping van.
Road trip.
Professional.
First time with painters too.
Glad I didn't go to painter's college. Look like a real idiot. Said I got a marketing degree and get a C in basic concepts of marketing. Look at that, kids. right.
All right, you want to do it? Damn right. Look at that. It's all about getting your money's worth. All right, so we just went ahead and knocked the bottom one out real quick. So they still need to be sanded, but all in all, could have been worse. So, not too shabby. All right, so we're finishing up today on the fancy camera because the battery on the GoPro is about to die. But I think we got a lot accomplished today.
Definitely. Got it all.
If you want to
closed down.
We'll do like a quick recap here. Oh, it's locked. All right, going from the back. So we got pretty much all the interior out. Still got some cleaning up to do. Still got to you know, assess the rust situation. But yeah, all in all, good progress today. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Tell us how bad we are. Tell us how much we f***ed up this van, because we really did. Tell us how we're idiots, and tell us how we'll never be able to fix the rust. I don't care. So yeah, anything else?
Now we're excited to get this this van on the road, definitely, and fixed, and not falling apart on the road. So
very soon. Stay tuned.